Dear students, today we are going to study a sum of exercise 3.2 and sum number 4. The data is given here. Two circles are touching each other. These circles are with center P and Q. And a line intersects both the circles, passing through the meeting point and circle in point A and circle Q in point D. This is A and B, where this line is intersecting both the circles. And angle PAR is given 35. So we have to find the measure of angle RQB, and we have to prove that segment AP, this AP is parallel to segment BQ. Yes. AP is parallel to QB, and another we have to prove triangle APR is similar to triangle BQR. Triangle APR is similar to BQR. So, solve this. We have to prove first angle PAR is congruent to angle B, this angle. PAR is congruent to QBR. If you can prove this angle is congruent to this angle, then you can say that PA is parallel to BQ by alternate angle test. So to prove angle PAR is congruent to QBR, three things we have to prove. In triangle PAR, PA is congruent to PR, radii of the same circle. If PA is congruent to PR, then angle PAR is congruent to PRA. Reason? Isosceles triangle here. Same way, in triangle QBR, QB is congruent to QR. Again, radii of the same circle. Therefore, QRB is congruent to QBR. Again, isosceles triangle here. When this triangle is congruent to this triangle, this vertically oriented angle ARP is congruent to BRQ. So this angle is congruent to this angle, and this angle is congruent to this angle, and this is congruent to this one. That means this angle is congruent to this angle by transitive property. So once A is congruent to B, then we will say AP is parallel to QB by alternate angle test. So how to present it? In triangle APR, in triangle APR, PA is congruent to PR, radii of the same circle. Therefore, one given statement. Therefore, angle PAR is congruent to angle PRA by isosceles triangle theorem. In the same way, in triangle QRB, in triangle QRB, QR is equal to QB. QR is common to QB. Reason is same radii of the same circle. Therefore, angle QRB is equal to QBR. Angle QRB is equal to angle QBR. Reason is same. Isosceles triangle here. And ARP, angle ARP is equal to BRQ, that is vertical angles. So fifth statement, angle ARP is equal to angle BRQ by vertically opposite angles. So now you can very well understand this angle is equal to this angle, this is equal to this angle, and these two are common to each other. So by transitive property, equating the statement number, this is 2, 4 and 5, you will get angle PAR. Angle PAR is equal to angle PAR is equal to QBR. QBR from statement number S 2, 4 and 5. This is transitive property, first, second, third. When you got PAR is equal to QBR, that makes a what? Alternate angle. Therefore, AP, segment AP is parallel to segment QB by alternate angle test. So first part proved. This was the first part, that is proved. I hope you are clear. Now second part is prove that APR is similar to BQR. In triangle APR and triangle BQR, already you proved this angle is equal to this angle, right? This and this already proved that they are congruent. So we will say angle PAR, angle PAR is equal to angle QBR. Reason from this statement number also you can say, or statement number you have given here, this one by 6, statement number 6, I will write proved, and ARB is going to be a Q by vertical angle. Angle ARB is going to angle BRQ. That is vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle APR is similar to triangle BQR by A test. You have already proved that PAR is congruent to QBR. So you will say that measure angle QBR is how much? 35 degree. This is 35. Angle PAR is 35 degree given. Therefore, angle QBR is how much? 35 degree. Okay. Then you have to find out angle Q measure you have to find out. So QRB and QBR are congruent already you have proved. This angle is congruent to this one. So if this is 35, this one should be 35. Therefore angle QBR is also 35 degree. So now this is 35, this is 35. So this we can find out by sum of all angles of a triangle is 180. That will prove in triangle QRB, measure angle Q plus measure angle R plus measure angle B is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Now here you can see this is 35, this is 35. Q is not given. So measure angle Q plus 35 is equal to 180 degree. 35 plus 35 is 70. Measure angle Q plus 70 is equal to 180. So measure angle Q is equal to 180 minus 70. That is measure angle Q is equal to 180. So third part, this one. What is the measure of RQB is how much? 180. So this way all the properties here, first we have to radii property and then isosceles triangle theorem, then transitive property, and then to prove the similarity by AA test, and thereafter this angle we have proved the congruence, this 35 given, and this 35. This way we can do this. Only the thing we have to keep in our mind, what are the properties we are using in the sum, and then presentation. I hope the things are crystal clear to us. If it is, go ahead and do it 2 times. Thank you. अब यहाँ पल्लव जी